Hello, sophomores. I'm excited to introduce the IB Diploma program at North Central High School. Do you dream big about your future? Are you curious? Are you someone who doesn't want to miss out on an opportunity? Do you want to add your name to the list of amazing students that have left a legacy of achievement and excellence here at North Central High School, including a vast majority of our school's valedictorians and salutatorians? This is Mr. Hodson, IB coordinator here at North Central High School, and it's my honor to bring you this quick overview of life inside the DP. This video is intended primarily for students thinking about doing the full diploma program, with information at the end about students interested in our certificate-only options as well. Every year, we have a select group of sophomores that make a commitment to join the IB DP. These are no ordinary students. They've chosen to dedicate themselves to rigorous academics, community service, and personal growth. Now it's your turn to think about joining the IB Diploma program, so let's take a few minutes to discuss it. North Central was the first school in the state of Indiana and became just the 430th school in the world to start their IB program. Now there are more than 3,400 programs that exist around the world, with nearly 1,000 in the US alone. So, how does it work? How does someone earn their IB diploma? Well, first, you need a plan, and that's where I come in. I'm here to help you make your path through the IB Diploma program. You'll wind up taking 6 classes for IB. 1 in English, World Languages, the Social Studies, Science, Mathematics, and the Arts, if you have a strength in either the performing or the visual arts. If not, that requirement can be replaced with a second subject from another category. Each of these 6 classes has up to 7 points available. There are 3 extra points that you can earn from the core of the DP, but we'll discuss that in a few minutes. Your goal is to get at least 24 of the 45 points available. 3 of those classes will be taken at the standard level, and 3 at the higher level. This is kind of like majoring and minoring in those subjects. The difference is how much you need to learn and what kind of assessments you'll take to demonstrate that learning. So let's talk about those assessments. Will you need to take tests to earn your IB diploma? Yes, but that isn't the only way you earn points. Each course also has an internal assessment. This is a project, experiment, paper, performance that you design and complete. That's right, you get to decide what to focus in on. Are you all about sports, a student athlete? Well, then in physics you can analyze the idea angle for a free throw. Or in stats you could look at the data to determine if it's true that defenses actually win championships in the NFL. Are you into social justice? Then in history you can research the causes of the injustices we see now. Or take a look at various cultural aspects alive in the world today that create injustices for members of our community. A while ago I mentioned the core. This is a part of the program that only students in the full diploma program are able to experience. It seeks to develop you in ways that are hard to measure on a test. One part of the core is theory of knowledge. This course is a place for you to think critically about everything that we call knowledge. How do you know what the right thing to do is, or why some things get labeled as beautiful and others don't? Can you justify knowledge by faith, or does it need to be justified by reason? Students are the text. The conversations in this class are centered around what we know and how we claim to know it. It's our job to get you asking questions. There's also the extended essay. This is a college-level academic paper that you do on a subject of your choice, with the help of a faculty mentor. Again, it's all about you and your passions. Civil rights, feminism, chemistry, social media, music, it's up to you. We'll be here to help you structure and finish your essay. The final part of the core is CAS, Creativity, Action, and Service. You should be more than just a student in a class, more than just a score on a paper. IB wants you to be creative, to draw, to sing, to dance, to problem solve. They want you to be active, to join the team, to get outside for a walk, or to climb a mountain on vacation. And they want you to serve. DP students have great skill and talent, and it's important that they use them to give back to the community. You will design and complete a service project while part of the DP, and we will be here to help you. Your creativity, action, and service will guarantee that you will be a well-rounded person. The IBDP at North Central High School is growing and expanding. After adding social cultural anthropology in the 2021-22 school year, we're excited to be adding IB Sports, Exercise, Health, and Science, and IB Film. Our IB Sports Exercise and Health Science class will focus both on body systems and athletic performance, as well as sports psychology, training techniques, and other metrics of success in athletics. Let's take a minute to discuss our new IB film pathway.
Hi, I'm Mr. Armstrong and I teach IB Film. IB Film is a full year weighted elective and we focus on either the analysis of film or the production of film. In the analysis year, we write a textual analysis about a film and look at its technical and cultural aspects, and we come up with a multimedia presentation that compares two films. In the production year, which is next year, the student makes a reel that is a demonstration of various cinematic techniques, and then the whole class creates a short film together. Would love to have you. Thanks a lot.
Hello, my name is Amaya Jewel and I'm an IB senior this year. I didn't take IB because it looked more impressive, but because I knew that it would make me a better learner and a better thinker. IB definitely gave me the freedom in order to pursue and, delve deeper into the academic areas that I was more interested in, but it also allowed me to still have a normal high school experience. I participate in sports and have, a multitude of other hobbies. And so I knew that IB would challenge me academically, but it would also make me a more well-rounded person in general. And so that's why I chose to join the IB program.
Leslie, one of our graduates from the class of 2014, talks about how joining the IB was the best decision she ever made. She had teachers and mentors that changed her life and inspired her. She was also able to focus on topics that she had a deep passion and interest in. Another common question that students have is it worth it? Will joining the IB Diploma program really help with the college admissions and scholarship process? And while we never want to promise any student any particular result, because the college admissions and scholarship process is way out of any one single person's control, we do have ample evidence that being in the IB Diploma program helps. A survey that was conducted recently shows that students that participate in the IB Diploma program have a many times over better chance of getting into America's top colleges and universities. Deans and admissions officers also believe that the IB Diploma program and participation in it demonstrates that a student holds themselves to high standards and accepts challenges rather than avoid them. Admissions officers from places like Harvard state that GPA isn't as important in acceptance as participation in the IB. Students should take the most rigorous path available. Okay, I sold you on joining the DP. You can't think of a better pathway to graduation, so probably want to know if you're qualified. Generally, we're looking for sophomores that have honors experience across the board. 9 and 10x English in their second or third year of Honors World Language, experience with WAP and APUSH, former BioX students, and kids that are ahead in math. Of course, there are always exceptions to the rule. If you don't meet all of these qualifications and are still interested in an IB experience, make sure you contact me. I'd be honored to answer all of your questions and see if we can find a way for you to participate. We're also excited to be offering IB certificates. These are for students that might not want to participate in the full IB Diploma program, but would still like to have an IB experience. We currently have certificates in our world languages, in anthropology, in sports, exercise, health science, and in our film, theater, and other arts classes. Well, there you go. Nearly 40 years of tradition. The IB Diploma program at North Central High School. We'd love for you to come and join the legacy. We offer lots of options to complete the program, so please reach out to me to schedule a time to talk.